Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple AirPods. So on the side you get your logos, on the back just more detailed look at the AirPods, additional branding on top and the sides, and just standard information on the bottom. So let's get started. So Apple AirPods were originally released in September 2016. And this video will be posted in March 2019. So in the past 2.5 years, there has not been a new generation of this product, and that just goes to show how well it's aged. So without further ado, let's take the box off. So off the top, you're presented with a Designed by Apple in California pamphlet, and when you take it out, there's going to be 3 booklets, and we'll get into that right now. Sorry about that. So the first booklet you get is just instructions on how to sync your AirPods and other important information for you to know, since this is a new product, so definitely take a look. And the other 2 are just standard Apple text and information you get, so we won't cover that. Alright, I'm going to put these to the side. Before we get into the AirPods come with a lightning connector, which is on the back of the case, and yeah, they're just standard lightning connector just to charge your AirPods. Nothing too fancy here. So according to Apple, 15 minutes of the headphones or the AirPods in the case equals 3 hours of listening time, or over an hour of talk time. This is pretty impressive numbers. So here it is. First impressions is pretty solid in the hand. It feels definitely like a high quality product from Apple, and this looks really nice. On the bottom you have the lightning connector. On the back there's a button which syncs your AirPods to your iPhone, and here they are. So you can see that there are 2 black dots which are sensors on the AirPods, and what that means for you is that, let's say you're listening to some music and you take out an AirPod, it'll automatically pause your music. When you put your AirPod back in, it'll resume the music or podcast, which is really cool. Another cool feature about these AirPods is that it has an accelerometer built in, and that means if you double tap them when you're listening to something, you can pause your track, skip something, initiate Siri, and other gestures which you can customize on your phone. So all in all, they are very compact, they look really nice, and it's a great purchase. So once you're done, you just slide them back inside the case. There's a magnet or something on the bottom which gives it a good fit, and that's it. Thanks for watching.